lang. So, it's day 5. Tuloy-tuloy ko na yung laro ko para matapos ko na. Day 5. Na tayo, guys. Padilim na ng padilim! I haven't really been feeling like myself lately. Maybe it's just stress or not getting enough sleep. But I've got a business to run and people are starting to come back more often. Just gotta keep going one cup at a time. Man, ba't medyo dumilim? Nga pala, di pala ako in myself. Ay, shala mo. Nangaantay lang. Man, ang dilim. Di ako, komportable. Hello? Hello, sir? Can I get the one boba milk tea and one boba Americano? Yeah, I know. I said I didn't trust boba. But myself finally talked me into trying. Guess there's a first time for everything. Okay. Wait nga. Boba milk. Kinakabahan ako. Talaga. Bob. Ah! Ito nangyari pag kinakabahan eh. Boba Americano, right? Yep. Sir? Sir, may nakaupo, sir! Putang ino! Here's the things. If these damn things choke me to death, I'm coming back to hunt you. Fuck you! Mommy! Get out! Keep myself busy. Hindi talaga siya naalis, men. Oh my gosh. Paano to? Hello ma'am. Dito tayo mag-usap. Derek, could I have a cup of green tea, please? Black tea, much more. Kinakaba kasi ako kung ano na lang kinakukuha ko. Kinakaba ako kung ano na lang pinagkukuha ko. Di pa rin siya naalis. The energy in the place is strong. It gives goosebumps. I'd better leave while I still can. Man! Man! Oh, gago! Inhale, inhale, inhale. Putang! Ma! Mama! Ito si gago! Hindi siya customer! Hindi siya customer. Mata para siya patay na. Yung mata niya kumikinang. Okay, magpintutan tayo dito. Hey, you! What's up, mate? Kinakalimutan ako. You... Baba, ano?